Poor girl. Struggle story. Lily was a young girl. She lived in a small village. Her parents were kind and loving. They were poor but happy. They had a small house. It was warm and cozy. They had a small garden. It was full of flowers. Lily loved the flowers. She would water them every day. She would talk to them. She believed they listened. One day, Lily's father fell ill. He couldn't work anymore. The family had no money. Lily was sad. She didn't want her father to suffer. She decided to go to the city. She hoped to find work there. She wanted to help her family. She packed her bag. She hugged her parents. She said goodbye. She promised to come back soon. Lily arrived in the city. It was big and noisy. She felt lost and scared. She didn't know anyone. She didn't have much money. She needed to find a job. She walked around the city. She asked for work everywhere, but no one wanted to hire her. She was young and inexperienced. She felt hopeless. One night, Lily was sitting on a bench. She was tired and hungry. She had no place to go. She started to cry. A kind old lady saw her. She sat next to the Lily. She asked why she was crying. Lily told her story. The young lady felt sorry for her. She took Lily to her home. She gave her food and a bed to sleep in. Lily was very grateful. The next morning, the old lady took Lily to a small bakery. The bakery was looking for help. Lily got the job. She was very happy. She thanked the old lady. She promised to work hard. Lily worked at the bakery every day. She baked bread and cakes. She cleaned the shop and served customers. She worked very hard and saved her money. She wanted to send it to her family. She wanted to help them. Lily missed her family. She often thought about them. She remembered the good times they had. She remembered her father's smile. She remembered her mother's warm hugs. These memories gave her strength. They kept her going. One day, a man came to the bakery. He looked sad. He didn't have enough money to buy bread. Lily felt sorry for him. She gave him some bread for free. The man was very grateful. He thanked Lily. He said he would never forget her kindness. Lily often helped others. She gave food to the hungry. She helped the old and the sick. She always had a smile on her face. She believed in kindness. She believed it made the world a better place. One evening, Lily was walking home. She saw a small dirty kitten. It was alone and scared. Lily picked it up. She took it home. She gave it food and a warm bed. She named it Whiskers. Whiskers became Lily's best friend. They were always together. Whiskers made Lily happy. She didn't feel so lonely anymore. Lily's life was hard, but she was strong. She never gave up. She always tried her best. She believed in herself. She believed in her dreams. One day, Lily received a letter. It was from her mother. She wrote that her father was getting worse. She needed money for his medicine. Lily was worried. She didn't have enough money. She needed to earn more. Lily decided to take another job. She worked at the bakery during the day. She cleaned offices at night. She was very tired, but she didn't complain. She knew she had to do it. She wanted to help her father. Lily worked day and night. She didn't get much sleep. She was always tired, but she kept going. She saved every penny. She sent the money to her family. She hoped it would help her father get better. Months passed. Lily worked hard. She saved a lot of money. She sent it to her family. Her father got the medicine he needed. He started to feel better. Lily was very happy. She felt proud. She knew her hard work paid off. Lily continued to work. She continued to help others. She made many friends. Everyone loved her. They admired her strength. They admired her kindness. One day, a young man came to the bakery. He was new in the city. He was looking for work. Lily saw him. He looked tired and hungry. She gave him some bread. She talked to him. She learned his name was Jake. He had come to the city to find a better life. But he was struggling. Lily felt sorry for him. She decided to help him. Lily talked to her boss. She asked if Jake could work at the bakery. Her boss agreed. Jake was very grateful. He thanked Lily. He promised to work hard. Jake started working at the bakery. He was a good worker. He was kind and friendly. He and Lily became good friends. They worked together every day. They laughed and talked. They shared daydreams. Lily told Jake about her family. She told him about her struggles. Jake admires her strength. He admires her kindness. He felt lucky to have met her. One day, Lily and Jake were walking home. They saw a little girl crying. She was lost. Lily comforted her. She asked where she lived. The girl didn't know. She was scared. Lily and Jake decided to help her. They took her to the police station. They stayed with her until her parents came. The girl's parents were very grateful. They thanked Lily and Jake. They said they would never forget their kindness. Lily and Jake felt happy. They knew they had done a good thing. They knew they had made a difference. Days turned into months. Lily and Jake worked hard. They saved their money. They helped others. They were happy. They had each other. They were not alone anymore. One day, Jake told Lily he loved her. Lily was surprised. She didn't know what to say. She liked Jack. He was kind and caring. He made her happy. She told him she loved him too. Jake was very happy. He hugged Lily. They decided to be together. Lily and Jake continued to work hard. They continued to help others. They made a good team. They were happy together. They had a bright future ahead of them. One day, Lily received another letter. It was from her mother. She wrote that her father was well again. He was able to work. Her family was doing better. Lily was very happy. She knew her hard work had paid off. She knew she had made a difference. Lily decided to visit her family. She wanted to see them. She wanted to hug him. She told Jake about her plan. Jake decided to go with her. He wanted to meet her family. Lily and Jake traveled to the village. They were excited. They couldn't wait to see Lily's family. When they arrived, Lily's parents were very happy. They hugged Lily. They thanked Jack for taking care of her. They were proud of their daughter. They were grateful for her hard work and kindness. Lily was very happy. She was with her family again. She had Jake by her side. She had made a difference in many lives. She had found love and happiness. Lily and Jake decided to stay in the village for a while. They wanted to help the community. They wanted to make a difference. They opened a small shop. They sold bread and cakes. They helped the villagers. They made many friends. Lily's life had changed. She had struggled. She had faced many challenges, but she had never given up. She had worked hard. She had helped others. She had found love and happiness. Lily and Jake lived a happy life. They worked together. They helped others. They made a difference. They were loved by everyone. One day, Lily and Jake were sitting in their garden. They were holding hands. They were happy. They looked at each other. They knew that had been taught a lot. They knew they had made a difference. They knew they had found love and happiness. Lily looked at Jake. She had tears in her eyes. She hugged him. She was happy. She was grateful. She knew she had a good life. She knew she had made a difference. She knew she had found love and happiness. Lily and Jake lived happily ever after. They continued to work hard. They continued to help others. They continued to make a difference. They were happy. They were in love. They had a good life. Lily had come a long way. She had faced many challenges. She had never given up. She had worked hard. She had helped others. She had found love and happiness. She had made a difference. Lily's story was a story of strength, kindness, and love. It was a story of hope. It was a story of a girl who never gave up. It was a story of a girl who made difference. It was a story of a girl who found love and happiness.